Okay, so now that our lids are primed, girl does not know what to do.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi.
Blue enough, but they blue though. Okay, what's up? What's good? For the first time ever on this channel, we actually have a suggestion. We actually have a legit suggestion. So, I don't know this person at all, so this random stranger suggested that I do a blue look, seeing as the winter season is blowing over. Well, it has already. It's a bit late. This video is late, but still, it's happening. It's a suggestion. I'm doing it. So we're doing blue. Hence, blue eyebrows. Bruh, I ain't playing. We're not playing no games today. So, we're gonna start off with this blue look. Wish me luck. I don't know where I'm going with this, but we're going somewhere. I mean, it has to. And hopefully it will be far. We're gonna start by priming our lids, and as per the usual, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Is it? Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I am by no means anywhere near the shade Fair Beige, but we make do with what we have, mate. And I'm just gonna blend this neatly on the lid. Okay. I'm going in with this blue shade with like a really small brush. Wait, let's see there. Focus. It's not focusing. Focus. I'm a legit YouTuber, y'all. Did you see the professional handiworks? Yeah, that's me. Okay, so first make sure there's no creasing of the concealer on your lid. And then outline. Like the shape that I want to go for. I'm gonna do like some type of wing line type thing. I'm taking a small brush, and then I'm just gonna do some slight blending. That's what we have at the moment. So now with this shimmer shade, let me show you. It's like a loose shade that I have. This one. Just create a deeper outline. Like so. So with that shade, I'm basically just like following the same shape. But this is just to create some slight amount of depth in there, and it will just look cool a month. Like, what other explanation do we need? With that same brush that we blended out the first time, I'm just going in with a slight amount of more blue. Bloop. And I'm just gonna blend that out a bit more, just to make sure that the edges are not harsh, and then nice and blended. It needs to just flow into each other. She bougie. Handbag. Look how fancy we are. For some reason, toilet paper always makes a debut appearance in all of my videos. And if I don't get sponsored by a toilet paper company one day, I will not have made it in life, bro. Forget. I will not have made it in life. Like, consider me a failure. if I don't get a toilet paper company to sponsor one of my makeup looks, which is my dream. It's just my dream. Just let me get sponsored by toilet paper. We're just going to not cut the crease. How about that? So what I'm gonna do is, with the black, I'm going to create a little wing type deal. Blend that up with blue. The blue. The vocabulary is read the books, guys. It's very important. My diction is on 0. Now we're cutting the crease. Well, I don't know if we still consider this cutting the crease. Toilet paper. I'm taking my flat brush like so. You guys see that? Okay. And I'm just making sure that I flatten it with the toilet paper. I almost said toothpaste. So there's that. And I'm gonna take some concealer on my brush. Who's this with the music outside? Why? I'm just doing like a rough outline. I don't know what this look is called. Is there a name for this? Like, so basically now with this super duper light pink, I'm doing an all blue look, and the words that come out of my mouth are pink. I love the journey. So I'm just gonna set this with that blue. Bro, I wish you guys could hear my stomach right now. It's crazy! It's crazy! It's like putting me on the spot. It's like, it's wailing. I should just eat, right? And then all my problems will be solved. Bro, like, I'm giving myself the credit. Look at that line. Thanks, Sam. Okay, let's rather do the ouch, the smallest wing line. And I mean it this time. Small. With this liquid glitter, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna highlight, but very carefully, on the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm just gonna start doing some finishing touches on the lower lash. We're doing the lower lash now. So the shade, I'm gonna tight line on the bottom. So basically that's what we have for the one eye. I just slapped on a lash, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I will see you guys in a bit. So that's basically it for the eye look, and now we're just gonna do the lips. They're looking ashy, and they've been ashy throughout the whole video, so we're not gonna say nothing about that though. It's not a discussion for today. Basically, this is it for the look, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Ooh, and all the noise in the background, excuse that. Just act like you can't hear it, or I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, son. I don't. But this is the blue look, and I hope the random stranger that suggested it enjoys it. This one's for you, bro.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
I hit him up and took color money, purple yin and blue pearl.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Leave a cat. He was laughing like an idiot, yeah.
I want to take a selfie.
I want to learn to take a selfie.